This is the new RBL pre-cleaner wax and grease remover with 0 VOCs and no alcohol. We're going to do a quick demonstration of how it works. We have a card that we've prepared for paint. Masking it off, we're going to take a grease pencil and we're going to write RBL right onto the painted surface. We'll go ahead and take the foamer. We'll take one pass, getting the entire area covered with foam. We'll come back to this in a minute. What we're going to do now is we're going to come over to this bumper cover that we've got from LKQ Keystone that is primed with water-based primer, and we will do the same thing by preparing this properly. We'll take the super sponge and we will wipe the entire bumper cover to make sure the foam pre-cleaner gets exposed in every area. We will go ahead now, once we've done that and clean the entire cover, we'll turn the super sponge on its other side, on its edge, and it acts, as you can see, as a squeegee, cleaning the entire cover, again, effortlessly, by just going ahead and wiping the area off. What I want to do is take as you can see, a clean rag. Come on a little closer. We're going to take this rag and we are going to wipe over the area, the bumper cover, that we've cleaned, and take a look. There is no transfer of any primer. You can see the surface. There is no lifting. There's no surface defects that are apparent. Nothing. Now, let's go over here and take a look at some commonly used prep products. One, of course, is the wax and grease remover. The next one is the water-based cleaner. And we're going to take a white clean rag from each one of those. Let's go back over to the bumper cover. We'll wipe the first one. You can see how it transferred over or onto the white wiper. Let's take the other one, the wax and grease remover, and wipe it. And you can see they have both transferred. Now, let's get back to our fender that we went ahead and foamed. You can see the foam is still on there. None of it is on the ground like conventional wax and grease removers. It's doing its job. And let's just go ahead and effortlessly, with the super sponge, wipe over that area that we had grease pencil. Now let's just go ahead and have the sponge act as a squeegee, going over the entire area, and you can see that is ready for paint. With the super sponge, you want this to be the last thing that touches the paint prior to paint, okay, or the paint job. There is no transfer of lint, because there is no lint. There is no static, because the super sponge does not develop static. A conventional wiper, whether it's tack cloth, will go ahead, as you know, will not only create static, but it'll go ahead and transfer lint. With this, you will get the cleanest job. In addition to that, you want to use the pre-cleaning foamer from RBL that'll be available in April. The pump sprayer, foamer, and the chemical. Thanks.